Pinipi ko na po siya sa akin kasi ganito daw ako magsalita. I bumped into a car and then what will happen to me? I will be injured. And who will take care of me? No one. I really don't know what to eat. I don't wanna eat junk food. Aray! I'm scared kasi sa lightning at saka sa thunder. Hindi ko pa talaga alam anong gawin ko pag nakarinig ako noon. I think I need henna. Yeah. It's so AOA. Akala ko ba sa 7-Eleven? Oh, wow. Kasi parang namimiss ko na siya. Maniwala ka naman sa akin, oh. Maniwala ka. It's not the one. Nahilingi. Ayaw pag na-drop. Back to the ball game. Ikaw kasi parang push na push. Push me to the to the everything. I don't know what to eat now. I think, ay joke lang, naanad na kasi. Yeah, I bought this one right before and I let you try.